What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about XYO, which has had a sudden pump in value. As you can see, it is 20% up in the last 24 hours, and the pump literally came about over the last 45 hours. As you guys can see, a major pump here, and it's still ongoing. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much. Is it going to crash back down like usual, or is it likely to go even higher in value over the coming hours and so on? So essentially looking at, is this the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it quickly and take out your profits? Or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, and so on? So we are going to cover both buyers and a seller's point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can XYO go, or how low can it go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down just about 0.5%. However, we do have XYO as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it has dropped just about 1%, nothing major compared to how much it's gained over the last day. Over the week 18%, and over the month 10%. So yes, it has been quite volatile up and down, but because of the major pump over the last couple of hours, it has maintained to stay on the positive side. Now, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 500%, making it $2.3 million in trading, which is again a huge percentage increase in trading volume. It's just pumped up in value. We're seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and the trading volume is likely to go up even higher over the coming hours as more and more people get to know about the pump, meaning they will start trading it as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value for XYO, which is here in purple at 0.02954 cents. However, it is actually trading out much higher value here in in green at 0.003382 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very positive, heading upwards. However, they are looking way too steep, guys. Again, only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, the crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow midday, I'm expecting XYO to have dropped back down in value, potentially heading down toward the 0.003 cents is where I'm expecting XYO to be trading at over the next 24 to 48 hours. So slow and steady drops in value are expected from XYO. However, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially heading up to 0.0038 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value. But again, an overall drop in value is what is expected. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very bullish, very steep. So once again, it's not realistic. So over the next couple of days, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of next week, I'm expecting XYO to once again have gone through an overall drop in value, and at this point it should have dropped below the 0.003 cents target. So trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from this crypto towards the end of next week. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red candles over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit a green candle in between here and there. But again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here again? The orange line is not looking as steep, however the blue line is, meaning basically one of them is realistic and one of them isn't. But from my predictions over the next couple of weeks, next 6 to 8 weeks guys, so mid to late November 2023, what I am expecting from XYO is an overall drop in value, and we can clearly see guys, it has been consistently dropping in value for almost a year. Since the start of 2023 it has been dropping in value all the way up until now, and this is unlikely to change, meaning more drops in value are expected from XYO over the coming weeks and months as well. So potentially towards the end of the year it should be heading to around the 0.002 cents target. Again, we are going to have the odd green week or the green day in between, or the odd pump that's taking place such as right now, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side over the coming months as well. So towards the end of the year we should be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. So again, those of you asking, is now a good time to invest into the crypto? Personally, no, I wouldn't invest into it anytime, because I'm not expecting it to, overall gain value over the long term or the short term. So personally, I would avoid this crypto. But if this crypto is something that you guys are into and think you can make money out of, then yeah, go for it. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, there isn't much we can do here. As you guys can see, it's trading in the lower part of the red zone, and for it to hit the green zone, it's gonna have to hover over the 2 cents target, which we are not even close to at the moment. So that is going to take a couple of years if it does manage to pump up in value, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. So over the next couple of years anyway, it is very likely that it's going to be stuck in the red zone. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on XYO guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high or how low are you guys expecting XYO to go in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.